Today we are going to discuss about pharmaceutical dosage form as a continuation of part 1. Today in Form D, third year, pharmaceutical formulation subject, chapter 1, pharmaceutical dosage form, part 2. So yesterday we have discussed about dosage form definition and concept and classification. So as a continuation, yesterday we have discussed in detail about liquid dosage forms. Today semi-solid ointments, creams, paste, jellies and suppositories or semi-solid dosage forms. In that we are going to see one by one. Ointments or semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. They usually contain medicament or medicaments dissolved or suspended or emulsified in an ointment base. So creams or viscous semi-solid emulsions which are meant for external application, softener consistency and light in weight. Aqueous creams and oily creams are available, and I have seen the picture. I have shown the picture. Pastes are semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin, usually very stiff and thick, protective, absorptive, and antiseptic. Jellies. Jellies are transparent or translucent, non-greasy, semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin. Medicated, lubricating jellies are available in the market. Suppositories are semi-solid preparations, shaped semi-solid solid preparation, shaped dosage forms of medicaments intended for insertion into body cavities other than mouth, and dissolves at body temperature, can be applied in rectum, vaginal, nostril and ear. Poultice or soft viscous wet mass of solid substance applied to the skin for their foam, fomentation action in order to provide relief from pain or reduce the inflammation or to act as a counter irritant. Applied to affected part after heating the occasional stirring. Solid dosage form. Solid dosage form is the measure which contains tablet, capsule, powders and granules. Tablet is a solid unit dosage form containing medicament or medicaments compressed to form round, oval or square shaped dosage forms. It was further classified into uncoated or coated tablets, buccal, sublingual tablets, effervescent tablets, chewable tablets, lozenges, patches, and pills. Coated tablets, sugar coated, film coated, entry coated. So I have deposited a few pictures of the coated tablets. Buccal and sublingual tablets. Sublingual and buccal medications are administered by placing them in the mouth, either under the tongue. This is nothing but sublingual. This is under the tongue, or between the gums and the cheek. This is gums and the cheek. This is called buccal. So the medication dissolve rapidly and are absorbed through the mucous membrane of the mouth, where they enter into the bloodstream. Effervescent tablets, you can see here, after putting into the water, it shows some bubbly nature. This is effervescence. So uncoated tablets generally contain acid substance, example citric and tartaric acids, and carbonates or bicarbonates are released, and which react rapidly in the presence of water by releasing carbon dioxide. They are intended to be dissolved or dispersed in water before use, providing very rapid tablet dispersion and dissolution, pleasant tasting carbonated drink. Chewable tablets. They are tablets that chewed prior to swallowing. They are designed for administration of drugs to children. Example, vitamin products, antacid formulations as shown in the picture. It was colorful preparations. Lozenges or semi-solid preparations consisting of sugar and gum. The latter giving strength and cohesiveness to the lozenge and facilitating slow release of the medicament. It is used to medicate the mouth and throat for the slow administration of indigestion or cough remedies. Pastilles or semi-solid medicated preparations designed to dissolve slowly in the mouth. They are softer than the lozenges, and these bases are either glycerol and gelatin or acacia and sugar. The combinations. The preparations look like this: a small cake. Pills. Pills are solid oral dosage forms of spherical shape prepared from one or more medicaments incorporated with inert excipients. The pills are now readily used. Capsules, already we know about the capsules. It's two types, hard gelatin and soft gelatin. Capsules are self-contained solid oral dosage forms in which the medicament or medicaments along with suitable excipient is enclosed in the empty gelatin shell. This is different sizes of capsules which is categorized under hard gelatin capsules. This is a single piece soft gelatin capsule. Two shapes are there. This is oval and this is narrow. Powders, pharmaceutical powders are intimate mixtures of dry, finely divided drugs or chemicals intended for internal or external use. And the mixed powders may be stored in a dry form and the mixture prepared by the pharmacist when required for dispensing by suspending the powders into appropriate vehicle before use. Granules are free-flowing powders, aggregates consisting of drugs and suitable excipients and often supplied in single-dose sachets. Some granules are placed on the tongue and swallowed when water with the water. Others are intended to be dissolved in water before taking. Effervescent granules evolve carbon dioxide when added to water. Gases, maximum pressurized aerosols and inhalers are used day to day dosage form packaging and usage. Pharmaceutically, gaseous dosage forms can be defined as an elastic aeroform fluids in which the molecules are separated from one another and so they have free paths. Aerosol, a product that is packed under pressure and contains therapeutically active ingredients that are released upon activation of an appropriate valve system in the form of spray, mist, foam, etc. So they are intended for topical application to the skin as well as local application in the nose as nasal aerosols, mouth as lingual aerosols, and the lungs as inhalation aerosols. Inhalers, a special class of dosage form consisting of a drug or a combination of drug that by virtue of their high vapor pressure can be carried by an air current into nasal passage where they extract their effect. So anti-asthmatic and steroidal drugs are used. Sorry. Parentrals, so introduced other than by other way of the intestine. Actually, whatever the dosage form up to now we have seen, it's given by the enteral routes. Parentrals is different, like it can be given in small volumes or large volumes by using injections. It is called as parenterals. It's not in the regular enteral route of body orifice or oral. It is going to be given in the injections. So that is, you can see this is single dosage ampules, this is vials, this is large volume parenterals. These two are categorized as small volume parenterals. So the parenterals are defined as sterile dosage form meant for administration into body by means of injection, infusion or implantation. majorly through intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous. Here the skin layers where the injection is going to deliver the parenteral dosage forms is shown clearly, and based upon the nature and the volume of the drug going to be injected, it was divided into small volume parenterals and large volume parenterals. So dosage forms like suspension, powder, solution, emulsions, all can be dissolved in the water for injection and can be used in small volume parenterals as well as large volume parenterals. So by the end of this video, I hope you all understand about pharmaceutical dosage form, and based upon the concept of administration, ROA, route of administration, and physical texture, how it was classified and what are all the classification we have seen in detail in these last two videos. Thank you one and all for listening with the patience. Thank you.